Well, Betty, of course, a lot's been written about the possibility of Detroit setting a precedent for other debt-laden cities, particularly in the Midwest, and indeed that case could set some important precedents. But a wave of Chapter 9 bankruptcy filings won't be one of them. Detroit does have $11.8 billion in unsecured debts, and of that, $9.2 billion owed to city employee pension funds and other retirement benefits like health care. City hasn't set a number yet, but it hopes to use bankruptcy to cut those obligations. And that's already provoking court challenges. The Michigan state constitution prohibits cuts to public benefit programs. The city argues federal bankruptcy law trumps that state regulation. If it wins, the theory goes, could set the stage for other strapped cities to follow. And there are a lot of them. The Pew Center for Public Policy Research recently estimated 61 of the largest cities in America have more than $217 billion in unfunded pension and health care liabilities. Worst of the lot, you can see there, Charleston, West Virginia, it's funded just 24% of its obligations. But Charleston is not going to file Chapter 9. Of the 5 on that list, 3, including Charleston, can't do it. Only 12 states allow for cities to file for bankruptcy. Another 12 allow it in some cases after taking additional steps, such as getting the governor's sign-off, as happened in Michigan. Cities in the other 26 states, including West Virginia, don't have that option. A wave of bankruptcies might make for a scary analyst theory. It just can't happen.
Okay, so Detroit is qualitatively different as well.
Yes, not only because of the size of its debts, but the breadth. Overall, more than $18 billion, dwarfing the largest previous filing, Stockton, California, at $4 billion. City also isn't just the victim of the 2008 downturn or bad investment decisions, but years of corruption and mismanagement, the loss of basically the only industry it had, car making. Nevertheless, obviously, all this is going to be closely watched. And, Betty, the first hearing tomorrow, as city officials make the case Detroit is insolvent, the bankruptcy should go forward.